So now we just need to generate a constraint from the box to the IK hand controller so that every time the box moves, the hand will follow it. So the box will be the one driving the arm movement and not moving the box. So I select the box controller, select the IK handle of the left hand, and create a parent constraint on both rotation and translation, maintaining offset, and then say apply. That way, now the box will move the hand from frame 84 and forward. So see the FK comes, grabs, and then frame 84, I should be able to start moving the object. In the same frame, exactly the same frame, I'm going to select the controller, select the right hand IK, and create a parent constraint, exactly same settings as the other hand. So I'm ready to start animating the box to fulfill complete the animation that the body has right now as a blocking. And I can animate the arms and start suggesting some of the way you see here. For example, in my original animation, I have the body leaning to the right to give some of shifting of the weight. And you see how I am at a moment letting the arm bend a little bit. Then slightly start adjusting the position of the box, remembering that this box rig is pivoting on one side so that I can mean the character's body center balance to one side as the box is turning, showing as if the body is using its mass and its center balance to push the box up from one direction, and of course later on to pull up both simultaneously, back and forth multiple times, just making sure that it looks correct. And then doing some more adjustment now for the clavicles so that the clavicles add to the sense of weight, identifying the keyframe where the box is moving. That way I know in frames specifically how I can move, you know, the shoulder down so that the weight is shown. Same on the other arm, same keyframes so that I can have the right position at the right timing, making sure I don't select geometry by accident and then let the shoulder do its job. Showing a little bit of a change there. Additionally, I want to bring into the picture the pulse vector for the IK arm so I can manipulate the way the elbow is shown, especially now that they are part of this kind of intricate position where the arm is in between the legs. And of course, you know, those controllers are going to need to continue being animated and fine-tuned through the rest of the animation. Moving it out a little bit just to keep it right now. Now the other arm, of course, going back to the main frame, pulling at the arm, trying to correct the position first. You see slightly modifying the keyframe for both elbows. to be part of the sequence. Now I'm getting closer to just move on to the next segment of the lifting up of the box. Notice how the center balance in this pose is very clear, shifting toward the left leg of the character.